Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm just giving you guys an update. We're not gonna paint nothing today. I did have it planned, but it got a little late, and so I'm just gonna give you guys a quick walk around, just to keep you guys updated. So far, everything is for the most part sanded or worked on. Right here in front, there's a little body filler right here, because there was a small few dents here or there. So I threw a glaze of body filler and I sanded it down, and it is very smooth. So I sand down the body filler with 80 grit, and after it's like at a nice decent shape, I'll continue with the 220, and just to refine it just a little bit, and I'll run my hand, just to feel any spots, high or low spots or anything like that. And like, I'll either throw another coat of body filler or just continue from there. Right here in the bottom as well, it had a few rock chips that were pretty aggressive, so it made some dents. So again, also right here on top, there was a dent, I guess, when they closed the hood. So I went through the bottom where it latches on, and I just straightened out the sheet metal right here, and then I threw like a glaze, like a coat of body filler, and straightened it out. We're still I was ready to spray the super fill, although like there's still a few more spots that need to be worked on. But I wanted to spray the super fill over this, that way I can sand it and continue more body work, because right now, as I said, your eyes can play tricks on you, whether you feel like either metal or like the layers of primer and paint, so you might think you're feeling something here, when it's not. So it's just easier when everything is just one solid color, in this case the super fill primer. So over here, I was waiting on Angel to drop by and drop off this fender right here. He dropped off the driver fender, passenger fender, and he also dropped off a few more parts. I'll show you guys. So today, that's what I did. There's the fender that was right here. There was a dent right there, and I, like, through the back, it's pretty sealed, it's pretty covered, so I didn't want to spend a lot of time trying to get that one back into shape. Angel already had the two front fenders, and they're actually in better condition, pretty decent condition, except for like right here, there's like a rock chip, so I want to sand it, and just a little filler over here as well, another little rock chip that has like a small dent, so I just want to work that one. And yeah, everything is pretty good. The door, everything is pretty good. You can run your hand and everything feels so smooth right here too. I mean, you just see the different colors, but once we spray the super fill, everything would be one color, and like, it should be a lot easier. It should be a lot easier to work. So back here, started sanding right here, the back area. There's not a lot of, I'm not gonna do any body filler here, so I'm just sanding it down, so no big deal here. Just finish off sanding those squares. Over here on top, sanded everything is smooth. Right here there was a few dents, so I straightened those out, so now like everything is smooth, like the whole top area. It's just, that's the dust from the body filler. But yep. So there's a walk around. I already have the windows masked. I just need to tape up that top weather strip, so I was just waiting, that way it doesn't stay bent for a long time. So this is pretty new, so it's pretty soft. So I'm just gonna lift it, put the tape, and try to like maintain it open. That way I can paint the whole roof. But yeah, guys, that's a real quick update on the truck. This is V8 Nation's truck. So over here is the bed. This one, you know, we'll get to it. He had also stopped by and dropped a roll pan. We're gonna get this one molded. This one is metal. It's a steel pan. So we'll see how that goes, because we're gonna have to like bolt it onto the bed and then, you know, somehow mold it onto this. And this is like a plastic, so we're gonna have to use some fiberglass and reinforce it from behind. But yeah, he brought the roll pan, the driver and passenger fender, which I only used the driver side, and he also brought the tailgate. Something happened to his old tailgate, so he brought this one right here, which is pretty decent, except for the latch right there. But he said he has one, and there's the other fender. So they were just in primered, but body shape, they were in decent condition. So yep, this is the bed. We haven't touched anything on this one yet, but we will. I'm just you know, finishing this one off, and I didn't want to show any type of body work, body filler. I just wanted to get straight to the primer, that way we could just start seeing some paint laying down, you know, like laying down some paint. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. You know, be patient. I'll upload a video as soon as I can, as soon as I get this truck painted. For now, hopefully you guys enjoyed this update, and I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. Peace out.